You are welcome back again, guys. As you know, I am Oluwaseyi Edun, lordstar, king of action, the beacon of possibility, the creative guy, the mentor of multiple streams, source of income, authority, the legend. Yeah, this is Oluwaseyi Edun Academy. At Oluwaseyi Edun Academy, we have a wide range of online courses to teach people about how to make money. Evidently, I am a mentor. I can teach you how to make money online legitimately without stressing yourself. For you, searching how to make money, you fall on repass. Definitely, there is 100% chance for you to lose your money. But when you have a mentor, your mentor will just lead you straight, give you the necessary strategies to use to start making money as fast as possible. What are you waiting for? You can contact me. You are free to DM me. I am free. I even respond to messages directly. Nobody will respond to you if it is not me. So definitely you are at the right way. Okay, if you are like, how do you make money online? Okay, you want me to tell you, you can make money online in so many places, with so many ways. You understand? You can make money by being a content creator. Yeah, I teach content creator, and I will make you be earning with monetization. That is one. You can make money online by bringing your products into online space to reach millions of people. Do you know all over the world are online? They are online. All over the world are online. Definitely you can bring your products, business, services into online presence. If you know the strategies, if you know the way to reach people directly, definitely you are in the space of making money fast. Secondly, you can be an affiliate marketer. By being an affiliate marketer, you have access to several products. What kind of products? Ready-made products of people that you resell. Then you make a commission as a revenue. There are some products that they offer from 5% commission, 10% commission, 15% commission, 20% commission, 30% commission, 40% commission. There are some products that offer 50% to 90% commission. Your own is just to make a sales. Then you can even earn more than them. Like me now, my products to my affiliate marketers, I share it 50-50. You make 50% by recommending my own product to people. Definitely, let me use an example. If a product is 30,000 naira, then you make a sale. You have down, make half of the 30,000 naira is your own. That is 15,000 naira. You can see. So don't do it. You can be a designer. You can be a freelancer by offering services to people. If you know how to develop websites, if you know how to design, anything that you know, if it is okay, if someone wants to register their business online, you know about it. Any kind of things, you can use it to make money. What I even ask people, if people come to me, how can we make money? How can we make money? My first question is, and that's what I will ask you. My first question is, what do you know how to do most? Like your hobby, your interest, your profession, your activities, any kind of things you know how to do. Don't dull it. Reach out to me. I will show you a way. No matter what, any kind of things, once it is legitimate, it's not as you want to make fraud. Definitely you make money. What you know how to do, go. Tell me, I will show you how to make money with it. Tell me, I will show you how to make money with it. You can see the sign. Let's go.